Work hours are only half the picture. Now let's talk about breaks, because this is where I see the most pushback from productions, and where you need to be the most prepared. Every minor is entitled to a 30-minute meal period after no more than 5.5 hours of work. This is not negotiable, and it is not something a parent can waive on the child's behalf. If a production is approaching that 5.5-hour mark and hasn't called lunch, that's your cue to speak up. Calmly, clearly, and early. Don't wait until the deadline. Flag it in advance so production can plan around it instead of scrambling. We touched on this in Module 1, but let's go deeper. Every minor on set during a school day is entitled to a minimum of 3 hours of instruction. The exact schedule depends on grade level. Children in 6th grade or below must complete their schooling by 4 p.m. Minors in 7th grade or above may continue schooling until 7 p.m. That means if a child's call time is 2 p.m. on a school day and they're in the 6th grade or below, the latest they can realistically start work after completing 3 hours of school is 1 p.m. If their call is later than that, the math doesn't work. And that's a conversation you need to have with production immediately. Here's another detail worth knowing. If a child attends their own regular school before reporting to set, that time counts as a full 6 hours of school, no matter how long they actually spent there. That can change your schooling math for the day. So always ask whether the child attended school before arriving. Beyond meals, minors are entitled to rest and recreation periods throughout the day. These are shorter breaks meant to prevent fatigue. And as a studio teacher, you are the one watching for signs that a break is needed, even before the clock says it's required. Critical rule: no one, not the director, not the producer, not the parent, has the authority to extend a minor's working hours or skip a required break. Not even a parent can give permission to break the law. These numbers, 5.5 hours to meal break, 3 hours of schooling, 12:30 a.m., as the hard stop. These are the numbers you carry in your head every single day on set. Memorize them. They are your foundation.